Hello everyone, my name is Fermin. In this video, ipapakita ko po sa inyo ang aking recommended 3 mutual funds for retirement. Diyan lang po kayo at subaybayan po ninyo ang video na ito. Ang iilan sa mga bagay na isaalang-alang for a successful retirement ay ang pagpaplano ng maaga at ang consistent habit of saving. We can afford to have a successful retirement. Kung alam mo ang iyong desired lifestyle, your timeline, and your retirement savings plan, you can figure out how much o magkano ang kailangan mong pera for retirement. I-divide mo lang ang amount na kailangan mong ipunin sa kung ilang taon mo ito dapat paghandaan, and then you just have to save for it. Just start with whatever you can afford, kahit na yan ay 100 pesos o 1,000 pesos a week. You can do it. Then, maaari mong dagdagan ang amount as your financial situation improves. Ang mahalaga, you consistently save. Bago tayo magpatuloy, disclaimer po muna tayo. Ang mga online contents na aking ginagawa, gaya ng mga audio, video o blogs ay batay sa aking research, edukasyon at personal experience. Hindi ito kumakatawan sa anumang paraan sa mga official announcements o statements ng aking mga employer sa nakaraan o sa kasalukuyan. Kailangan mong kumonsulta sa isang rehistradong financial analyst, planner o banker at sumangguni sa official government sites para sa karagdagang impormasyon bago sumali sa anumang uri ng investment. Narito po ang mga karakteristik ng fund na dapat nating hanapin upang malaman natin kung ito ay nababagay for retirement. Number 1, broadly diversified. Hindi lang iisa kundi dapat nakatalatag sa maraming companies ang ating investment. Number 2, low cost. Dahil ito ay for long term, dapat mababa ang expense ratio ng fund. Low cost funds translates into higher returns for the investor. Number 3, maximum return. Kailangan natin ng high return, ngunit hindi lang basta-basta high return, dapat din manageable ang risk. We don't want very high return with very high risk. At pipiliin natin ang isang fund company na may good track record of managing money at may magandang pangalan o reputasyon. Narito na po ang aking recommended only 3 mutual funds for retirement. Number 1, Vanguard Total Stock Market Index Fund, VTSAX. Number 2, Vanguard Total World Stock Index Fund, VTWAX. At number 3, Vanguard Total Bond Market Fund, VBTLX. Bakit lahat Vanguard? Ang Vanguard ang isa sa pinakamalaking mutual fund company sa buong mundo. More than $6 trillion of assets under management. Ang Vanguard ang pioneer at inventor ng mga index funds. Vanguard have one of the lowest mutual fund costs in the industry. And lastly, Vanguard has very good track record of managing money through mutual funds. For non-US citizens or non-US permanent residents, hindi po tayo maaaring mag-invest directly into the Vanguard mutual funds. Ngunit, narito po ang magandang balita. Kung mayroon kayong international online broker, maaari na kayong makapag-invest directly sa mga equivalent exchange-traded funds o ETF ng mga Vanguard funds. In short, ang 3 mutual funds na aming nabanggit ay maaari na ring bilhin sa US stock market gaya ng proseso ng pagbili ng common stocks. Narito po ang equivalent ETFs ng aming 3 recommended Vanguard mutual funds. 1. Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF, stock code VTI. As an investment, ang VTSAX at VTI ay magkapareho lang po. They hold the exact same collection of stocks for the US stock market. They have the same dividend yield and they earn almost the same exact annual returns. Number 2, Vanguard Total World Stock ETF, stock code VT. Ang VTWAX at VT ay magkapareho lang din pong investments. They hold the exact same collection of stocks worldwide. They have the exact same dividend yield and they earn almost the same exact annual returns. Number 3, Vanguard Total Bond Market ETF, stock code BND. Ang VBTLX at BND are identical investments. Both investments hold investment-grade US dollar-denominated bonds. Why did we choose these funds for retirement? Unahin muna nating sagutin bakit sa US stock market. Sa simpleng sagot, in the long term, ang stock market lang ang makakapagbigay sa iyo ng pinakamalaking potential returns. But in the short term, stocks are volatile investments. Pagdating naman sa stock market, ang US stock market is still the best place to invest. It is the biggest in the world dahil sa laki ng US economy. Sa US stock market din matatagpuan ang mga malalaking stable companies sa buong mundo gaya ng Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Facebook at marami pang iba. At higit sa lahat, US has a stable government at ang US stock market ay highly regulated kaya ang probability ng market rigging ay napakababa. Our number 1 recommended fund ay ang Vanguard Total Stock Market Index Fund. Bakit VTI? If you invest in the VTI, you invest not only in a few stocks, but in all of the stocks. I repeat, all of the stocks in the US stock market, approximately 3,500 stocks. Kasama na riyan ang lahat ng mga small cap, medium cap, and large capitalization, growth and value stocks of the US stock market. Yan ang tinatawag nating diversification. Ang mutual fund na ito ay very ideal for retirement na may time horizon na mahigit 10 years. Napakababa po ng expense ratio ng fund na ito, nasa 0.04%. Tama po ang inyong narinig, hindi po 0.4, 0.04%. Our number 2 recommended fund ay ang Vanguard Total World Stock Index Fund. Bakit sa VT? Ang mga emerging markets can give you potentially higher return than the US alone. Nariyan ang mga bansa na kung tawagin ay BRICK, Brazil, Russia, India, and China. Para sa akin, investing in these countries can offer potential higher returns, but always remember, the higher the returns, the higher the risk. Mas mataas ng konti ang risk sa world stock market dahil sa economic and political situations ng mga bansang kasali dito. If you invest in Vanguard Total World Stock Index in VT, para ka na rin nag-invest sa stock markets around the globe, hindi lang sa United States, maging sa mga developed markets and emerging markets. Ang mutual fund na ito ay binubuo ng approximately more than 8,700 stocks from all over the world. Some of its top 10 portfolio holdings include Alibaba and Taiwan Semiconductors. Ang VT ay binubuo ng approximately 50% US stocks, 15% Europe stocks at 10% emerging market stocks. Gustong-gusto ko ang fund na ito sapagkat mataas ang kanyang potential for growth. Mababa din po ang kanyang expense ratio, nasa 0.1%. Our number 3 recommended fund ay ang Vanguard Total Bond Market. Bakit kailangan natin ng bonds sa ating retirement portfolio? Bonds are considered a defensive asset class dahil mas secure po ito kung ikumpara sa stocks. Kailangan natin ng bonds sa ating retirement portfolio as a source of diversification at para bumaba ang overall volatility and overall portfolio risk. Kung ikaw ay risk taker at di ka takot na malugi, your weightings in stocks may be much higher. Ngunit kung ikaw ay matatakutin o reluctant to take risks, maaari mong taasan ng konti ang iyong bond investment. For our retirement portfolio, we recommend Vanguard Total Bond Market Fund, BND. Ang fund na ito ay naka-invest sa broadly diversified market-weighted bond index. Kasama riyan ang mga investment-grade US dollar-denominated bonds ng US Treasuries. Ang US Treasuries ay pagkakautang ng US government. Uulitin po namin, ang dahilan kung bakit isinama natin ang bonds sa ating portfolio ay upang magkaroon tayo ng reliable income stream at ismoothen ang market fluctuations ng ating stock equity holdings. In conclusion, habang papalapit tayo sa ating retirement, i-rebalance naman natin ang ating portfolio. Dahan-dahan nating paliliitin ang ating stock holdings at palalakihin ang portion ng ating bond investment. So there you go, guys. Those are our 3 recommended mutual funds to invest for retirement. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and leave us a comment in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to our channel, consider subscribing for more videos on budgeting, saving, and investing. Ako po si Fermin. Until next time, maraming salamat po.